From the heart of the big brown earth stands a tree in joyful mirth. She stretches and bends to find the sun. Her only wish is to dance to his song. Then comes a river who runs so free. He jumps and twists and swells and sleeps, flowing with all his might and strength, changing his route when by rocks he bends. Man stands above river, sun, earth, air. The upright human being who slowly prepared. What makes him stand upright, listening and watching. As he explores freely, he trains his morality. Not plant, nor sun, nor wind, nor rain can do the task that is given to man. While he is free and can think morally, he has always the choice to choose responsibly. Look, there is a boat with a free spirit singing. Her devotion through battles is something quite special. Hear her song and you will know her well. Tales of morality, love and courage she tells. Today, there's a battle within every soul. When evil grows loud, goodness grows bold. In this battle, a brotherhood we are beginning, whereof strength for peace and kindness, we are striving. Thank you, everybody. That was To Man Alone is Free to Give. 1, 2, 3. 1.